Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set your Citizen Tsuki-yomi watch time and calendar manually versus letting the atomic feature do it. Now this is something I don't really recommend. The whole reason you want to buy an atomic watch is it sets itself for you, but I guess there's some of you that have troubles getting the atomic signal. This would be how you can adjust your watch manually. I'm going to go through a pretty basic. I'm not going to go through every individual setting. The idea is just to show you how to get to it. First thing we need to do is we need to pull our crown out to the first position. When you pull it out, we're going to press and hold the top right button for 2 seconds. Our second hand should move to the 23-second indicator. Once it's done that, we're going to pull the crown out one more time, and our second hand should go to 0. Now we are in the settings for adjusting our time values. It's kind of weird the way it works, but basically your first setting that you can adjust is your hours and minutes. All I'm doing is I'm simply turning the crown. I could keep turning it. As I turn it, you'll notice that my minute hand and my hour hand are adjusting. All I'm going to do while I'm in this settings mode is I'm going to press the top right button to go to the next setting. I've set my hour and minute value. My next setting is going to be my date. You can see it's currently set on the 7th, but if I turn it, it adjusts to the 8th. Turn it again, adjust to the 9th. We've got our date set. We're going to press the top right value. We're going to go to the next thing, which is our day of the week. It's currently set to Wednesday. Turn it once, it goes to Thursday. Turn it again, it goes to Friday. Press the top right button again. It's going to go to our year and month for the calendar. This is kind of a tricky setting, but basically your second hand indicates what month you're in. So currently, I would be in the first month, and then your little second indicator indicates the number of years since the last leap year. So you would need to turn this and get to not only the correct month, so in this case it would be February, but the number of years since the last leap year. The first value would be 0, then you've got 1, 2, 3, and then the next month. Press the top right button again. You're going to do the exact same thing, but this is going to be your year for your moon phase. So they've got a chart. I'll try and add it here. But each second hand correlates to a different year for the moon phase. So for 2024, for example, I need to go to second hand position 18. And that's it. Basically, we can keep pressing the button if we needed to go back through any of the settings, but those are basically your settings. When you're done, you're going to press the crown all the way in, and you've successfully manually adjusted your date and calendar values. Again, it's not something I would recommend getting into unless you just can't receive an atomic signal. The nice thing is if you do mess with it, you could always go manually pull the atomic signal, and the atomic signal will reset all of your values. I've done a video in the past that shows you that if you want to check that out. As always, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.